A life without friends would be like a road trip with no music, just better with friends. International Friendship Day is coming.
Hope now you all are super excited
Yes.
about Friendships Day. So let's begin the Friendships Day celebration.
Ma'am, is
Yes.
this fine? Ma'am, I have an origami sheet. So, ma'am,
Then those who have the origami sheet, they will take out origami sheet. Those who don't have, they will make square in this.
Ma'am, is this fine? Ma'am, is this fine?
Yeah, you can take. 1 second, I will make.
Ma'am, I have origami sheet, but it is white colored from the back side.
Yeah, it will be like this only. One side white and one side this. Okay,
Yes.
that is good. That is good. So those who don't have the origami sheet, they will make one square in A4 sheet and they will cut this. Okay.
What are we actually making?
We are making friendship band.
So today we all are going to give some adjectives to our friends as a token of appreciation. Okay, so this is a wall of appreciation. I want you all to start giving adjectives to your friends in this. So you can write the adjective and you can write your friends.
Nothing,
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, I can. Okay, good job, guys. I've saved this wall with me as a memory. And now we are going to do the next thing. Okay?
Dancing.
Dance. Are we all ready to groove our body a bit?
Shake our sillies out, shake, shake, shake our sillies out, wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna clap, clap, clap our crazies out, clap, clap, clap our crazies out, clap, clap, clap our crazies out, wiggle.
Ma'am, International Day of Friendship was declared to be celebrated by the UN on 30th July to show the harmony of friendship, to show the importance of friendships in our lives. Like, we would be really lonely if we didn't have any friends.
Friendship Day is on 30th July, and why we celebrate Friendship Day because all friends spend time together, and then they won't care about like the religions, how they are and all. They just be friends and enjoy with them each other.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of, when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah.
I pledge to be a good friend.
I pledge to be kind and caring. And to treat others with respect.
I will celebrate our differences.
And always stand by my friends.